All right, guys, this is River Dave, 2021 Santa Water Expo, and I'm here in the Green Machine with Gene.
How you doing?
So this is a 28 Wraith. This is the fourth one built, and this one is very unique in that it is an actual true walk-through open bow. I'm going to try to make Michael not fall off the front of it, but this open bow is huge. I mean, it is huge. You put 6-8 kids in here, no problem, right? So we did an interview earlier. We're probably going to use both of them just because we love Amy.
Right.
She's beautiful, right?
Okay.
On the outside of the boat, but this particular boat's got it all. It's got the speed for dad. It's got the comfy for the wife. It's got the room for the kids. You can tow kids with twos behind it.
Right.
This one, sit over here, Gene, for 1 second. We're going to do a little tour of the boat. I love, love, love the interior of this boat. Lots of subtle accents. They got a nice little kind of a faint carbon fiber action on the front there to a smooth, to the diamonds, and it's just really, really clean throughout. The sea deck, or what is this? The sea deck or gator step?
It's gator step.
So the gator step in this boat is beautiful. One of the things that I do like about the gator step is they're able to laser edge designs in it, kind of make it look like wood.
Yeah, we did the wood design in this one with the knots and everything. It looked out to be a real nice accent.
So you come back here, and this thing has got room and storage for days. There's cabinets everywhere, but it is just clean, right? It's very, very clean. Not lots of gauges anywhere.
Right.
Michael, when you come back here, take a look at the engine bay, and you're going to see nothing. And that is exactly what you want. It looks like the motor is literally floating. It looks like nothing's hooked up to it. This is one of the cleanest rigging jobs you're ever going to see. Everything's hidden. Everything's still very accessible. The batteries are right here under the back seat, which we can get into that later. But it's just an absolutely gorgeous boat. I think that Wraith hit it out of the park on this, and it's I can't wait to take it out, water test it. They're expecting high 80s, low 90s out of it. And boat show special this time is $215,000, but normally $225,000. And WraithPowerboats.com and Wraith Powerboats on Instagram. Gene, thanks so much for letting us up in the boat.
Thank you, Dave. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
All right. Thank you very much.
And we're really looking forward to going out on this, in the next, right after Thanksgiving, probably?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. We'll take it out. We'll go run it, get some speed numbers, and do a review.
Sounds great.
Thanks, guys. 2021 Santa Water Expo.